Before the Hellcat haters enter the chat, yes, it's heavier, yes, it's less aerodynamic, but it has 302 more horsepower than a C8 Corvette, and that power is derived from a supercharger. So yeah, it's fast.
So you want to ride in the Hellcat, right?
What the? What do you even do with this much power on a daily basis? Like, do you feel like it's changed how you drive?
Definitely. Bring the hell out of you.
I guess that's why they call it Hellcat.
Definitely. People be hating too because they pull up and don't know you about to smoke.
Because it's only like 80 extra horsepower than the regular Hellcat, right?
Mm-hmm.
How did they get the extra 80?
Oh, that's me, shit.
Okay, to clarify, it's actually 90 extra horsepower. And in my research, I couldn't find exactly what it was that made it different. I saw different things across the internet, but I'm sure you guys who know all about this stuff can clarify in the comment section. Jokes are welcome too.
The biggest upgrade I did on this boy for me was tires. So if anybody get this whip, I feel like the number one upgrade you're gonna have to do is do tires. If you don't do tires, you smoke, yep. Y'all know I had to wear the ghetto mask for y'all for a minute. Started off with some smoke. But you being in it now compared to your Corvette, what you think about it?
It makes a Corvette feel like a Prius.
I let another Corvette driver drive it too, and he was surprised. You know, he really thought it was gonna be like a boat, as they say. Well, it's a good boat you can bring your friends on with the experience. It don't need to be a two-seater. Or you can get the Challenger and you still can fit at least 4 people in it. They're gonna be tight in the back though.
I feel like the only people calling it slow boats are the people who haven't been in it.
Yeah, they're gonna. They gotta hate on it though, you know, because all the rappers and all that stuff talk about it so much, and all the ignorant stuff people do. But as you see what Dodge promotes, they promote that these cars are going to bring the hell out of you. They call it a demon in a Hellcat. Driving this car make you want to push the power to the floor. It's only real car heads know about this, you feel me? Everybody else, they really don't know unless they ever get in it. And most people will never be in a Hellcat. And I understand if you spend almost 6 figures, you probably want something for the look. Everybody else be like, oh, my boyfriend has that car. That's a V6, baby girl. You feel me?
But I mean, honestly though, driving experience, this is way more of a thrill though.
Yeah.
Way more of a thrill. Like on really anxiety almost. If you're not used to having this kind of power, like then you would be scared because what is that? You're on sport mode?
Yeah, I'm in custom mode.
Custom mode? Okay. So what's that entail with the customization?
Yeah, you can just style it how you want it to do. So I got traction street, suspension street, everything else in sport. If we go over the track, that camera will be shaking like a mug because everything, you know what I'm saying?
The suspension tightens
but,
up, huh?
Yeah, the fans cut on everything in track. So only thing I hate about this car, when you switch everything over, they cut traction control off. If you can see over here, it's off. So that's the only thing I don't like.
That's
so
scary.
You know what I'm saying? So I always just click it back on. You know what I'm saying? Like, why would you want 800 horsepower
with no traction control?
Bro, they trying to smoke you. You feel me? That's why everybody be spinning out.
Yeah, damn.
Track sound better, it's louder. The suspension stiffen up. Like they said, it's from light to light. You don't want no smoke. Now, I ain't gonna lie, throwing this boat around curves, definitely got to grip it a little better, but from light to light, most people don't want no smoke. And that's why I kind of like this car too, because with light to light, I can smoke anybody. Or at least keep up with them. Teslas,
on the regular
everything.
Street road, like on the regular street.
Because the average person don't go to track.
Yeah, right. So
you know what I'm saying? Gas?
That's what I was gonna say. So I saw it has eco mode. How's that?
Well,
I saw eco. It's saying right there.
No, so if you're on auto, it go down to eco. You know what I'm saying?
So how does it say? Does it just lower the RPMs to save gas, or what?
Yeah, drop it back down to like 500 horsepower. Stupid though. It ain't saving you no gas. I'm gonna show you on the dash. What's my average? What's my average gas?
God, 11.
Yeah, and I drive it ridiculous.
Yeah,
I stay in sport or custom.
How else would you drive it though? Like, there's no way else to drive this though.
Yeah.
Like you're not. It's almost impossible to drive regular. Like what? That's like 20% throttle.
Yeah,
Probably less than that.
yeah, that's probably like 5% right
Yeah,
there.
that's nuts.
Not.
Not
Woo! Been in a Hellcat? Have you ever been in a Corvette? What's y'all dream car?
I think what's the only thing beating this like on the road?
All-wheel drive cars, electric cars, you know. But I love gas cars.
Mm-hmm.
This
Just
American
that
muscle.
sound.
Wait till I put the flames coming off this boy.
Oh yeah, he's gonna do flame tunes. Stay tuned for that. Go to his channel. He's gonna have some more content coming out with this. If y'all like Hellcats, check him out. It's the car tattoo. Right?
Yeah, the car tattoo.
Yeah, okay.
You ain't pushing with these tires though.
This a little bit too. That's still too much. Like even I be seeing cars with more power. I'm like I feel like the Vet's honestly perfect. I don't know.
It's soon after the
Z06 gets more power top end, but like on launch, it's about the same acceleration. So like as far as like power you can feel on the street, I like how the Corvette you can use most of the power and have fun. With anything over like 600-700, you really can't use all that.
Hey y'all, I need some gas. This is gonna be your second home.
Let's see. How much are you filling up a week on average?
I'm at least probably filling up twice a week, depending. But it's funny because my Corvette note was more than this, so it about even out. You know what I'm saying? Remember, I got stuck in my Corvette where I paid over sticker, so it was depreciating.
They stuck you.
Yeah, remember? So with the Hellcats, they hold more value because they made less Hellcats. So when y'all buying these cars, people tell you don't buy them. They hold a certain amount of value to where you could at least roll that over into a new car. But yeah, normally this car take anywhere from $60 to $80 to fill up, depending on the gas prices. So the other day I just filled it up for $68. So that was good. And I'm putting 91 out here. In Chicago it's 93. Out here y'all do 91. So that's straight for me. You put 91 in yours too. How much does it cost?
Like on average, like 65, 70.
Around the same. But then you ride way longer though. Would you fill it up once a week?
Once a week, yeah.
Unless you're going doing all these POVs for them.
Yeah. Yeah, this week I filled it up like 3 times. I swear to God.